After click on the link given in the description of this video, such a window will open. Now here you have to enter your email, password and down below box again enter the password. Now go to your Gmail and open the mail that say email verification tasksewa and verify your email. Now here you can easily log in by entering your email and password or by clicking on login with Google button. After clicking on login, such a window will open. Here write basic detail like name, address, date of birth and mobile number and submit the form. After submitting the form, now you can start earning from this website. For that, now click on button. You can see here are many tasks. Now start earning money by doing the task. For example, I will show you how you can do a task. Before you do any task, please see what to do, how to do it, and what proof is required by advertiser. If you do tasks without reading the advertiser requirement, you may send the wrong proof, due to which you may not receive the money. After sending your proof to the advertiser, wait for approval. You can see here I have also done a lot of tasks. That's it for today. If you have any question about this video, please comment below.